everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this kind of broken nail using dip powder system. So as you can see, I have broken this nail really bad, and ever since we are in a quarantine, I'm just breaking my nails like crazy. But luckily I have saved a piece of the nail which was broken. So this way I will glue the tip and apply a dip powder on top and fix the nail. So to fix this kind of nail, you will need a base coat. This is from Rossi, an activator. I'm also using a clear dip powder here. And this is just the cuticle pusher which I will be using to pour the powder on my nail. A nail file, a tweezer and a buffer. So first of all, I'm gonna glue the broken nail with the base, since the base is a resin which is a glue. And then with the help of a tweezer, I will try to stick the broken part of the nail to my actual nail. And just let it dry until the glue is not sticky anymore. Next, I will apply the base on my nail, just on the tips. And pour the clear powder on the nail. And let it dry for about 15 seconds. Just tap off any excess powder. Then I'll apply a second coat of the base halfway of the nail and pour the clear powder again. Just tap off any excess powder from the nail. Now I'm applying a last coat of the base on all of my nail and pour the clear powder on the nail and wait for about 15 seconds. Tap off any excess of the powder. So when your nails are completely dry, apply a generous amount of activator to the whole nail and make sure to cap the edges as well. So after my activator is completely dry, as you can see, there's a lot of bumps on the nails. So next step is to file the nail and buff the nail to make it smoother. After the filing and buffing, clean the nail with the alcohol and remove any excess dust from the nail. So that's how it looks, guys, and I'm really happy with the result, and there are no bumps or anything. My nail looks very natural and smooth, and the nail looks like it was never broken before, so it looks great. So at this point you can apply a color on top, or you can just leave it like that. I'm just gonna leave it as it is and apply a cuticle oil on all of the nails. So that's all for the video guys, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, then please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.